Beard trim. A terrifying concept for many, and I've showcased many self-beard trims on this channel, even a barber or two trim out there. I've actually made videos about avoiding beard trim mistakes and how you can go wrong with trimming a beard. But somebody recently pointed out to me that I do not have a video that is dedicated to, if you have a beard trim mistake, what do you do? I searched. They are correct. I don't have that video, so let's go ahead and break it down. And the good thing is, this advice is good if you're doing your own beard trim at home, or if you go to a barber and you're not happy with that beard trim. If that sounds good to you guys, thumbs up on the video. My name's Dancy Bearded. Consider subscribing if you like beards. Let's go. No, for real. Check if you're subscribed. It's free. If you're not, come on, please. It's free. It helps out what we do here, and you'll get some great beard content. If you make a beard trim mistake, you're going and it jumps on you, you sneeze, somebody calls you, the dog runs into you, or you're at the barber and they make a mistake, you notice it in the moment, or you leave and then you notice it when you get home. Here's what you're gonna do. Please listen to these steps very carefully. Number 1, breathe. Number 2, stop any of this and simply walk away. You are not going to help your beard in the moment when you realize a mistake has happened and you're heightened, you're sweating, you have that gut shot feeling, you feel sick. Simply put it down and walk away. We get so caught up in trying to have a perfect beard after a trim, or really a perfect beard at any moment, we forget that we have bad beard days. We forget that we have bad beard moments. I just went to go look at the camera and be like, I got something going on over here. We forget that a beard is not perfect. But after a trim, if it's not exactly how we like it, the biggest mistake people make is chasing perfection. Let's say you go a little bit too high over here. Now I got to match it over here. Shoot, now it's not even. Now I got to go back over here. Now I got to go here. Before you know it, you're not going to have a beard. And I've talked about that on the channel many times before. But genuinely, if there is a mistake, walk away. Come back to it later that night, or even better, if my best friend reached out to me, Dan, I just absolutely botched my trim, I don't know what to do, I will simply say, sleep on it, wake up tomorrow, wash your beard, style your beard, go through your normal routine, and then reassess the situation. Even the best trims should not be a single day trim. I always try to do the best I can on my trim, and then I walk away, and the next morning I assess. I'm probably going to have something over here. I'm probably going to have something on the bottom. That's going to be a part of the process. But so many of us, when we feel like there's a huge problem, you start freaking out. You're like, I can't be seen like this today. I can't be taking an after post trim picture. I can't be doing any of this. No one else is going to notice. If they are, they likely don't care. If they do see it and they do care, you can show them in 2 or 3 days the final product, and they're going to be impressed that you're able to take a mistake and make it look so amazing. Just simply walk away and reassess the next day. I promise those nerves will calm, the sweating will stop, that stomach feeling will go away, and you'll be at a better mental and emotional and likely even physical place the next day when you get to reassess your beard. Just simply calm down. Same concept for the barber. Just simply calm. If you realize it's not the trim you wanted, you can either try to make adjustments yourself the next couple of days. You can go back to that barber if you want to build a relationship with them and let them know what went wrong. A great barber should want to make it right. Or you can go find a new barber. Just make sure when you're going to a barber, you're showing pictures, you're using absolute definite language, not just using like barber talk because you want to sound cool. That's a whole different video out there. But I just wanted to make this because like I had someone reach out. I messed up my trim. What do? You don't have a video on this. Okay, you're right. Stop, walk away, and then reassess. Down below, guys, leave any questions, leave any comments. I don't want to hold you any longer than this. Have you botched a beard trim? What did you do? Did you learn from it? I want to hear all of your thoughts and experiences, and especially your questions. Please, guys, take my advice on this one. I've been here. I know how it feels. This is the best route on moving forward. Thank you for watching. Dancy Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.